In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a blower motor on your Ford Focus. This will be located under the dash on the passenger side. Let's get started. Open the glove box. We're going to pinch the two sides together and let it fall down. We're going to go after this 8mm bolt. Close the glove box. Now that we're under the dash, we're going to remove our air piece. Pull it straight down and out. Remove the connector for the blower motor. Remove the three 8mm bolts for the blower motor. Remove the 3 screws, pull straight down, and remove the blower motor. Install the new blower motor. Get the screws started by hand. Snug the bolts down. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the screw for the vent. Snug it down. Lift the glove box up, click it back into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.